Favor Runner Review 2025 Worth it or leave it? Most people get this wrong. They think Favor Runner is just another food delivery app like any other. The surprising truth in 2025 is that Favor Runner offers a unique combination of personal errand services, ultra-fast delivery, and a local focus that sets it apart from generic delivery apps. Today, we're going to break down everything you need to know about Favor Runner, including how it works, its advantages and drawbacks, pricing, and whether it's worth using this year. Let's start with the basics. Favor Runner is a delivery and personal assistance service that connects users with local runners who can shop, pick up, and deliver anything you need, ranging from groceries and meals to household items or even documents. Unlike standard food delivery apps, Favor Runner emphasizes flexibility and personalized service, allowing you to request nearly anything, not just restaurant meals. How Favor Runner works. Using Favor Runner is simple. You start by downloading the app and creating an account. Once logged in, you enter your delivery details and specify what you need. This can be as straightforward as pick up a pizza from Tony's, or as complex as buy a birthday gift, wrap it, and deliver it to my friend's house by 5 p.m. The app then connects you with a runner in your area, who completes the task and delivers your items right to your doorstep. Payments are handled in the app, with runners paid through Favor's platform. Users can tip runners directly, and the app provides real-time tracking of your delivery, similar to food delivery apps, but with the added benefit of custom errand requests. Pricing and fees. Favor Runner operates on a variable pricing model. The base delivery fee typically ranges from $2.99 to $6.99, depending on distance and service type. For more complex errands or time-sensitive requests, additional fees may apply. Users can also tip runners, which is recommended if the service involves extra effort or multiple stops. Overall, Favor Runner tends to be slightly more expensive than standard food delivery apps, but the value lies in its versatility and convenience. Runner network and availability. Favor Runner relies on a network of local runners, individuals who act as personal assistants and delivery agents. This local focus ensures faster delivery times, often within 30 to 60 minutes for common requests, though peak hours or complex orders may take longer. As of 2025, Favor operates primarily in Texas, with select cities across the U.S. gradually being added. The service works best in areas with a dense runner network, ensuring prompt fulfillment. Advantages of Favor Runner. Ultra-fast delivery, often within an hour for most tasks. Wide range of services, from food delivery to personal errands. Local focus ensures familiarity with neighborhood stores and restaurants. Flexible ordering. You can request custom tasks that other apps don't support. Real-time tracking of your runner's progress. Option to communicate directly with your runner for special instructions. Drawbacks of Favor Runner. Availability is limited to certain cities, mainly in Texas. Pricing can be higher than standard food delivery for complex errands. Service quality may vary depending on the runner's experience. Tips are discretionary but often expected for excellent service. Not ideal for long-term subscription savings, as the service is task-based. Real-world example. Sarah, a busy marketing manager in Austin, Texas, uses Favor Runner on a hectic Tuesday afternoon. She needs groceries, a coffee for her coworker, and a package delivered to her neighbor. Instead of making multiple trips herself, she places a single Favor order specifying each task. Within 45 minutes, a runner delivers everything to her doorstep, fully meeting her requests. Sarah pays the base fee, a small service fee, and tips the runner $5 for efficiency. By the end of the day, she has saved hours of time, avoided traffic, and gotten her errands done efficiently. Tips for maximizing Favor Runner. 1. Plan your errands in a single order to save on delivery fees. 2. Communicate clearly in the app, specifying items, brands, or any special instructions. 3. Tip generously for complex or time-consuming orders. This encourages reliable runners. 4. Check the app's delivery time estimates before placing urgent requests. 5. Use Favor for tasks that are difficult or time-consuming, rather than small, routine errands. Favor Runner vs. traditional delivery apps. While apps like DoorDash, Uber Eats, and Postmates focus primarily on restaurant delivery, Favor Runner's unique selling point is flexibility. You can request deliveries from multiple stores, ask runners to complete personal errands, or even handle tasks like picking up laundry or prescriptions. This makes Favor a hybrid service, part delivery app, part personal assistant. ***, who should consider Favor Runner ***. Busy professionals juggling work and home responsibilities. Individuals without a car or limited mobility. People who need personalized errand service beyond food delivery. Residents in Favor-supported cities looking for fast, reliable delivery. ***, who might skip Favor Runner ***. Individuals living outside major Favor markets. Users seeking the lowest possible delivery cost. Those comfortable managing errands on their own without a delivery intermediary. People who prefer subscription-based meal or grocery services for recurring needs. Customer experience in 2025 Favor Runner has continued to improve its technology and user experience. The app now offers better communication with runners, real-time order updates, and secure payment processing. Feedback mechanisms ensure that runners maintain quality service, and users can rate each task, promoting accountability. Overall, the platform has gained a reputation for reliability and convenience among urban Texans. Safety and security Favor Runner emphasizes safety. All runners undergo background checks before joining the platform. The app also allows users to track deliveries in real time and communicate with runners directly. Payments are processed securely within the app, reducing the risk of cash handling or disputes. Conclusion So, is Favor Runner worth it in 2025? For the right user, absolutely. It offers unmatched convenience, flexibility, and speed, especially for individuals in Texas who need errands done efficiently. The key to making Favor work for you is understanding the pricing structure, planning orders strategically, and using the app for tasks that save you significant time and effort. If you live in a supported city and value your time, Favor Runner can be the game changer for managing daily errands and deliveries. On the flip side, if you live outside Favor's service area, are budget conscious, or prefer self-service errands, you might find the app less useful. In that case, traditional delivery apps or subscription services could be better alternatives. In short, Favor Runner isn't just a delivery app, it's a versatile, time-saving solution that combines food delivery, personal errands, and local expertise into one convenient platform. Use it wisely, and it can free up hours in your week, helping you focus on what really matters in 2025.